I think some of the key benefits with Concentric is that it is platform first. We're always thinking about how to organize data in a way that we can share with our customers, but more importantly, that they can share with their clients so that they can explain what's going on in the pursuit of building a project early in that pre-con phase. So we have two concepts around this. One is the business on a page, where you can see through the portfolio view how the overarching business is performing and what's in the backlog, what new projects are coming. And then at the project level, we have an overview page, which is really the project on a single dashboard that gives you the insights of what's going on today in terms of budget, active items that need to be addressed, and where you're at in terms of transparency so that your owner knows that you're benchmarking against other projects and they have confidence that the numbers you're giving them are achievable. I think some of the challenges that Concentric's helping to solve are really around collaboration. I mean, honestly, this is a people first industry, and they need tools to help them collaborate and understand what's going on with the project so they can make informed decisions. We're helping to bring the data from your estimate and the ideas of time and money into the front of the conversation so that you're making informed decisions and everybody's around the table with the same information at the same time. Plus, we're making it more transparent. They can access the platform on their own time and they come informed for the next meeting so that they're not seeing the information for the first time and trying to just react. They're having time to think about, do I want to add additional value into the project or do I need to cut something out to meet a budget? We've had a lot of new customers over the last year, and some of the value we've seen them come away with right out of the gate was being able to just win work. I mean, at the end of the day, if they can win the work, then we can help them really take that work to the next level and really work with their teams. But they can come into our project or into our platform very quickly, load an estimate, add some additional information around the timeline and the ability to create value for that customer so they can hit a budget. And they're out winning work with basically a handful of clicks. Yeah, I think anytime you're implementing a new solution into a large business, there's a lot to be concerned with there in terms of change management. We have really tried to make that process as simple as possible. And we take a true white glove approach. Once we have a new customer and they're ready to go, we onboard them, and over the course of a couple of meetings, they're up and running. And training is usually a couple of hours at most, and it's more about reinforcing and coaching about how the tool can be used in your day-to-day workflows. The actual use of the tool is pretty straightforward. Yeah, so kind of as the name implies, Concentric is all about being centric around people and centric around data. We want to make sure that you have the best possible data to make informed decisions. And the way that we do that is we are working with people like you every day. Within Concentric itself, we're making sure that we're building out things that bring value to the customers. And so we look at each customer truly as a partner. We have great ideas about what we think we should build, but we're surprised almost on a daily basis by new ideas that just little nuances sometimes that make the process that much better. And for customers that are really ready to dig in and go to that next level, we're ready to engage with them at that same level of interest on a moment's notice most of the days.